You've been trying to manifest a new body and nothing is working, please keep watching. I'm about to blow your mind. In just 5 months, I went from looking like this to this, and I'm about to teach you how. If you're new here, my name's Melissa. I am a master manifester. In fact, I'm sitting in my dream home that I manifested in 7 days, closed in 30. I manifested my dream body, my dream life, anything you could think of. I have figured out how to use my mind to get what I want. So if you guys have been around, you know this used to be a DIY channel. That's where I got my start on social media. I'm also a social media expert. I have over 100,000 followers across all my platforms except for IG. And my most recent TikTok account that makes me money in my sleep is insane. I just grew my most recent account to 65,000 followers in 2.5 months. So if you guys want to learn how to grow on TikTok quickly, just drop TikTok down in the comments. But that is not why we're here. We are here to manifest your dream body. Now, full transparency. I have been working on my core and working on strengthening my core for a long time. So please bear that in mind, that this has been a very slow but gradual process. And I've learned that throughout the years that every single thing that I've ever wanted to manifest takes time. Now, are there people out there who can use their mind to manifest things instantly? Yes, because at the end of the day, we are supercomputers, okay? However, I have not mastered the art of manifestation in seconds yet. I'm sure I have done it, I just don't realize it. But anyway, so back to how to manifest your dream body. Number one, we have to get your mind right. If your mind is not right, you're only going to sabotage your progress, yourself, and your body. So a lot of times when we're on a health journey or we're trying to manifest something, if it doesn't happen right away or it doesn't happen quickly, we immediately go to all of the negative things of why it didn't work, why it's not going to work, etc. Our human brains, number one, we were just conditioned this way. And so I'm trying to help you guys uncondition your brain. But it's just kind of how it works. When we are in situations and we have a specific outcome in mind, and that specific outcome either doesn't happen exactly how we thought it would, or it doesn't happen quickly enough, our brain goes, oh my God, it's not gonna work, it's never gonna work, and then we give up and we sabotage. I might as well just eat all this food. Nothing I'm doing is working anyway, right? We've all been there. Now, at the start of my journey, I started to drink something called exogenous ketones. At the time, I had no other outlet. I had tried everything on the market. I had tried soup diets, this, that, and the third. I had tried everything. I was 217 pounds at 4'10 and a half. That's how tall I am. I'm very, very small. And so that weight was really heavy for me. Like I remember telling my husband, my poor feet literally can't handle anymore. I had plantar fasciitis. My poor husband had to massage my feet before I got out of bed at 30 years old. I mean, I couldn't run with my kids. Anyway, long story short, I just got to the point where I was desperate. So I found this product. In my mind, I truly thought that it was the product that helped me. But now I realize that it was just my own willpower and my own mindset. And that's why I want to tell you guys about getting your mind right before you go on a journey like this. Because if my mind was not right when I even started the ketones years ago, I would not be here today. So I want you to, number one, start listening to nighttime meditations. Now you could listen to Dream Body. You could listen to Abundance, Reprogramming Your Mind. I'm going to start creating them because I said in another video that I'm really just interested on how to make subliminals, and because there's a lot of people out there that do bad things with their subliminals. And so I just want to have a safe space of people to know that their subliminals are actually going to do what intended to do. So anyway, if you have no idea what subliminals are, essentially it's just high frequency music. And I started by listening to nighttime meditations and subliminals all night long. to the point where 7 years later, I have not missed one night of subliminals. So I do believe that it all starts there. So number one, start listening to nighttime subliminals. Number two, I want you guys to get the thought out of your brain that you think you have to starve yourself. You don't. In fact, it's the complete opposite. You want to fuel your body with things that are going to keep you full, give you energy, and burn your fat. And you're going to do that with 150 grams of protein per day, starting your day out with as high protein as you can. I either drink, because I'm always on the go, so I love these Spilt chocolate milks. They're 20 grams of protein, 90 calories, 0 sugar. Or I'll have like some scrambled eggs on a piece of toast. Like something just high protein that's going to give me energy and keep me full. That's the other thing a lot of people don't realize. I thought that intermittent fasting was like the best. And I'm not saying it's not good. I'm just saying what I learned now with the protein intake and the results that I have seen just by focusing on high protein, lower calorie, low sugar foods that keep me fuller longer so that I'm not grabbing for a bunch of junk. And if you guys want me to do a video on like alternatives from like bad stuff to more healthy stuff, my husband is diabetic, so we have no choice but to eat this way. So it was easy for us to kind of get on that bandwagon. But because my husband is diabetic, because I'm on a health journey, I really have found some really good and delicious foods that make you feel like you're still getting your favorite things, but they're high protein, they're better for you. Now, I don't go crazy on ingredients, and I just do the best I can every day. It's all in here. So if you think, oh my God, this ain't working, but it's not going to work. If you think, oh my God, I'm not losing my butt, you're not. But if you think, you know what, I did my best today. Like I'm at home, I do try to go to the gym and move my body every single day. We'll get into that in a minute. But today, my kids are here, they're napping. I took 20 minutes, I worked out right here, and I felt great. It's the intention that you put behind anything that you're doing. So, just to recap, number one, make sure that you're doing high protein, do not intermittent fast. Actually, number one is mindset. You got to get your mind right. Subliminals. I also listen to subliminals while I'm working out. So, just type up fit body subliminal or sexy body subliminal or anything like that, because it's more about the mind muscle connection than it is actually doing the thing. So on the days where I can't get to the gym or the days where I can't work out, I work out in my mind. As crazy as that sounds, it works, because when you visualize, that's when you start to see the things in your world come to fruition. It's all about your feeling state and how you picture things in your mind. So just think about it. Your life right now, if you can look back and you can think about your mindset and how your mindset has taken you to where you are today, that's when you can kind of start dissecting all these little pieces. Because again, we live in the past, we live in the future. Oh, my body back then was so hot. I'm never going to get back to that. Oh my gosh, I looked so good back then. Like now, yeah, but guess what? You can get back to that. In fact, we're all always ascending to our higher selves. We're all always manifesting. We just don't realize that that's actually what we're doing. So my ADHD brain, if you guys are getting through this, you are amazing. Drop me an emoji down below and just be like, I'm still here, I'm following you, because I feel like this makes no sense. So anyway, mindset, high protein, low calorie. Starting your day with protein, do not starve yourself. Exercising, moving your body every single day. If you can't move your body, intentionally do it. And really, that's it, you guys. I mean, it's not rocket science. When you love on yourself and you believe in yourself, then it's so much easier to wake up every day and be like, yeah, I am that bitch, and I am going to do whatever I want to do today. Because guess what? Do you understand how fast, or do you understand what one day can change? You can change so much in one day. I always talk about how time is an illusion. There is no future, there is no past. The only time that we have is the present moment right here and now. And that's why I tell you guys to always focus on what you're doing in your present moment. Stay in a state of feeling excited, worthy, joyous, abundant, happy, successful. I stay in a state of being that bitch all the time. You know why? Because if not, many things in my world will bring me down. If I allowed lots of things to come at me, I would not be where I'm at today. But I stay like a statue. Over the years, I've learned that my outer world, my inner world reflects my outer world, okay? So everything inside is going to come out eventually. The more I focus on the bad, the more bad happens. The more I focus on the good, even if it's one good thing, think about your body, okay? Think about the one trait on your body that you love, okay? And I know that's really hard to do when we are in a state of not feeling like ourselves. But I don't care if it's a strand of hair. I don't care if it's the tip of your nose. I don't care if it's your fingernails, okay? Pick one thing. I almost said one something. Pick one something that you love about yourself. And I want you to focus on that one thing. When you feel like, oh, I'm so fat, be like, nope, I love this. I am so grateful for my lips. I am so grateful for my arms. I am so grateful for my nails. I am hot. My nails are hot. I am sexy. My nails are sexy. The more you convince yourself, the more you're going to believe it. So even if you got to stand in the mirror and be like, I'm that boss bitch. I'm hot. I'm sexy. I can do anything I set my mind to. And the more you say it, the more you're going to believe it. And then your outer world is going to reflect your inner world. Do you see how all this works? So I really hope this helps you guys. For the 18th time, let's recap. Get your mind right, baby. You're amazing. You're beautiful. You got one life to live. Do not waste it. You're wasting time, okay? That's number one. Number two, subliminals at nighttime. Please start doing this. You guys save this video and come back 1 week. Give it 1 week for me, okay? Come back to this video. Let me know down in the comments what happens for you. Just give it 1 week. Okay, so mindset, high protein, subliminals, not starving yourself, loving on yourself, believing in yourself, visualizing. The mind muscle connection is more important than the actual thing you're doing, okay? So even while you're working out, I visualize my muscles like, being all tight and hot and sexy. That's what I visualize while I'm working out. And I don't know, I feel like I look pretty damn good. So anyway, you guys, I love you so much. Let me know if this helped you, if you guys like this type of video. Let me know if you guys have any video ideas down in the comment section below. Oh my God, someday I'll be able to talk. But if you guys made it this far, thank you for being here. If nobody has told you today, you are stunning, you are gorgeous, you are worthy. You, my friend, can do anything you set your mind to, especially if I can do it. 11 years sober from heroin, and I've built this beautiful life. Literally, any of you can, okay? Love y'all. Catch you in the next one.